In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install and activate the Elementor Pro License WordPress plugin step by step. If you're building a website with WordPress and want access to advanced design features like theme builder, pop-ups, dynamic content, and professional templates, Elementor Pro is a must-have. This guide is perfect for beginners and also helpful if you're setting this up on a new site. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. This is where you install new plugins on your WordPress site. Next, in the search bar on the top right, type in Elementor Website Builder. You should see the official Elementor plugin appear first in the results. Go ahead and click Install Now. Once the installation finishes, click Activate. This installs and activates the free version of Elementor, which is required before you can use Elementor Pro. Now that Elementor is active, the next step is to prepare your Elementor Pro license. Open a new browser tab and go to the Elementor website, then log into your Elementor account. From your account dashboard, click on Account Settings and then navigate to Purchases or Subscriptions. This is where you can view your existing licenses or choose a plan if you haven't purchased one yet. If you don't already have Elementor Pro, select the plan that fits your needs, complete the purchase, and once that's done, return back to your WordPress dashboard. Remember, Elementor Pro works as an add-on, so having the free Elementor plugin already installed is essential. Back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New again. This time, click on Upload Plugin at the top. Upload the Elementor Pro plugin file that you downloaded from your Elementor account. Click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. After activating Elementor Pro, you'll see a prompt asking you to connect your site to your Elementor account. Click on Connect and Activate. A new window will open asking you to log into your Elementor account. Once you log in, choose the license you want to use and confirm the connection. When the connection is successful, Elementor Pro will be fully activated on your website. You can confirm this by going to Elementor in your WordPress dashboard and checking that Pro features like theme builder and pop-ups are unlocked. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install and activate the Elementor Pro License WordPress plugin. You're now ready to start designing professional, high-converting websites using Elementor Pro. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.